Well, sheriff's deputies will be patrolling throughout the night in this open desert area just outside of Gila Bend. This is apparently a real popular route for drug smugglers and human smugglers. Some of them are armed, according to the sheriff, and that's why today he brought along some heavy artillery. It's a .50 caliber military-style machine gun, and the sheriff says he wants to send a message to those smugglers.
We're warning everybody, this is a pretty large weapon. It can shoot over a mile. So we'll retaliate. I hope we don't have to. Hope we never have to use this weapon, but it's there in the event we have to.
But the sheriff told us today his deputies have never actually fired off that heavy-duty weapon during any operation. But they're ready if they have to. 100 deputies will be on the hunt for drug smugglers and illegal immigrants. They'll be focusing on the open desert in and around Gila Bend. Folks who live in town say they're surprised the sheriff is doing one of his immigration sweeps here. Some say they're glad he came. Others say it's unnecessary because they don't have a crime problem.
It's a good thing, It's going to clean our town up, Get rid of the bad stuff and make it new again, just like it was before.
It's horrible. Well, because we're all family here. It's a small town, and I'll miss a lot of my clients. Plenty of them, and there's a lot of children here that need their parents, and I've already seen a lot of that. They don't know where to put their children at.
And people in town told us they expect they'll see their fair share of arrests during this crime suppression sweep, this crime sweep around Gila Bend, because they say there are a lot of illegal workers in this area. The crime sweep goes through tonight and then likely into tomorrow. We're live outside Gila Bend this afternoon. Alex Savage, Fox 10 News.